Wow, this video is super clear, right? Want to know how to make an AI video this sharp? Right now, most AI tools can only generate 1080p videos, so your clips usually end up blurry. No worries. Today, I'm going to show you how to create high-definition AI videos. First, we'll create AI videos using AVCLabs Online AI Video Generator. It's really simple. Just type in your prompt and hit generate. Now, here's the secret to making it really crisp and high def. AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Here's how it works. Select the preset. Upscale to 4K. Set the AI enhancement model to Ultra. Adjust the video settings however you like. Preview the video to make sure it looks perfect before export. Finally, hit export. And that's it. And there you have it. From a regular AI clip to a stunning, professional-looking 4K video in just a few easy steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe